Pebbles, stay bad Pebbles, big dirty nasty woman, take your dirty mouth off of me. Your dirty tongue will rise against me, shall go down in judgment. Me can't turn a dirty daughter footstool. As she I got turn my head cornerstone. Psalms 9 against your dirty mouth, big stinking stay bad woman. Woman will stay bad. Me can't have womb cancer. You know why? If your daughter not have body cancer, if you have womb cancer. Pebbles, you open the gate of Obi and make you pick them walk through it. Remember them did cuss you and tell you say you must take the people them name out of your fridge off of meat. Wicked woman who are Obi. Everybody in the yard and everybody run gone. If you wear the fridge of Fren, you know see the local canvas but you see panta go bust your dirty back. Come back home with the 3 judges in your house. Anytime you ready make it start big, dirty, stinking, stay bad woman. Your daughter shape bad. You get some shape for him. Your daughter wicked. I only kill her for girl. That me say it again. Wicked woman, you kill Browning. Brownie go rest in peace and she rest in peace. Suck your mother. See my weapon here? My Bible. My glass of water. I'm olive oil. Wicked woman, you can't get me down your dirty daughter. We come blood clot about how she kill her for me. And she want that going to catch me. I know a knee city. I know God. And I know my Bible. It can't catch me. She talk about after Browning then me. Lie she tell. God love me. Psalms 9. With my glass of water. 9 mornings straight against a dirty word. And your dirty thought you speak of my life. Out of your thinking mouth. The dirty that I run come with knife. So I never fear and I never scare. And no one. No day, no time. Browning. You have to rest in peace, my friend. Janelle Monique, Hendrix. Then I say very good. God love you. Your house stay good. After I plan upon to kill off my nice clean friendly for 3 baby them. And then you come. I come make video, I come talk about turn your daughter footstool. Me can't turn your daughter footstool. No day, no time, no hour. No day in a cyber world and no day in history. Wicked woman. With side down people, boy, pick up on your 2 daughters them. You need to let go the people them pick me. Yeah. That you need to do. And you see the suitcase where you send go foreign for the woman. When the little girl reaches and the woman said, "Little girl, where do you get that suitcase?" Throw it away. I'll have file you send for your people to me. For what reason? Tell me what then do you? You wicked Pebbles. Obia Waka Pebbles, voodoo mommy. And you two voodoo dolly pitney them. Eh? What make you so wicked woman? Oh, me get off Obia. I want to bring you come put down in a capture line. All viper. All devil, iniquity walker. You can't stop me nothing no day in a life. Janelle, my friend, I love you. You're happy rest in a peace. I one fridge and take your life, I know. One fridge. One single fridge. Honestly, I say I'm kill her Browning. Me I say it again. Yeah. I only kill my friend. Therefore 3 nice baby them. Through 1 fridge. And I kill her for last year June. And it never catch her. In her work. So I come back this year. And conquer a girl and take a girl life. But a Browning I either to sit down and make only taking life. And not turn to Christ. Suck your mother Pebbles. Obia Waka Pebbles. Wicked devil Pebbles. No wonder you reach all of foreign. If you're wicked, you're that chang door. But you can't catch me swat. May God bless. You know what you do?